Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Venus from SimplyPretty Creations. Today's video is a trash to treasure video. I had this piece of wood lying around in my house. There used to be a clock stuck onto this wood. This whole thing happened to fall and the clock broke. And I saved this piece of wood thinking I could transform this into something else. So watch me as I make this over into something else. This measures approximately 15 inches in height and 24 inches in length. You can totally replicate this project using a piece of scrap wood of similar measurements. First, I'm going to remove these glue marks from here. I'm using a tool like this and just scraping it off. I didn't bother much about these, the central part, as anyways this was going to get covered with some photo frames. Next I took 3 frames of 5 by 7 size and I'm going to place them like this over here. Now I'm going to take a pencil and draw around all the 3 picture frames. Next I'm going to flip this and remove this stand from the frame. I did the same thing on the other 2 frames as well. I printed out these words using my printer and I used Canva for this. First I thought of hanging the frames on this board using some screws. That's why you can see those 3 holes there. But then later I switched to double-sided foam tape.